Hello everyone! Today I come to Yanaka area, which is one of my favorite towns in Tokyo. And such a cold day, so my husband and I decided to have a cup of coffee. And this is the Yanaka coffee shop. What I like this shop is they roast the beans just in front of you, so you can have a delicious and hot coffee. Let's try it out. So yummy. I feel relaxed. Hi everyone, and I want to show you my favorite shop, which is located in just middle of the Ginza Yanaka Street. Sorry, Yanaka Ginza Street. And this shop is famous for Japanese ceramics, like teacups, rice bowls, modern Japanese style modern pesto, like that. Personally like to come here since it's so close to my place, and then the quality of this product of this shop is so good, so I never regret it. I hope you like it. Okay, now I want to introduce another of my favorite shop. And this store you can buy many kinds of cattail-shaped donuts. あと乙女をお願いします。以上で大丈夫。So I got Tora, which has a cocoa flavor, and also Chocomaru, which has a chocolate cream inside, and also the sugar. I think I bought 6 tail donuts. はい、お願いします。はい。Okay, let's go and taste it. Let's try. The bag is so cute. This is the shape of the hands of the cat, not the tail. Okay, then let's try the donuts. I will recommend that it's called Tora, the cocoa flavored donuts. Let's try. The outside is very fluffy, crispy, and the inside is very fluffy. And it has a milk cream inside. I'm sure Kengo likes it. What is good about this size of stick donuts is you can eat outside with the coffee. It's gonna be a wonderful year. So see you, bye.